Hey there! This video guide demonstrates how to use the Network Monitor tool to keep track of your internet connection with CommPeak. Here, you will learn how to add a new host for monitoring, open or share advanced network statistics, and read the latency graph or traceroute timeline. The quality of your connection can impact the effectiveness of your agent's calls. To check the connection quality, CommPeak offers the Network Monitor Pinger tool that keeps track of your connection to CommPeak servers and measures the network latency and packet loss. You can find the tool in your CommPeak portal account. Start with adding a new host for monitoring. In Host IP, enter its IP address. Optionally, you can specify the host's alias. In Servers, select one or more CommPeak servers closest to your location. Then, the IP addresses of the selected servers will appear in the lower part of the window. It is necessary that you enable incoming ICMP from these servers to your host. Make sure to copy these addresses. Technical descriptions by major network router manufacturers will help you to perform the required configuration. Click a link on the screen to get a reference. To finish adding the host, click Add IP. The new host will appear on the page. If you have enabled incoming ICMP for it, the Network Monitor will start displaying data. Toggle between the tabs to see and compare the data for each server you have selected previously. When you hover over the window, several additional actions appear. Click Remove if you wish to stop monitoring the host. Edit is for modifying the host alias and selecting more servers for monitoring. Share is for copying the link with advanced statistics about the host. Then, you can share it with others. Click Expand to enlarge the window and view the advanced statistics yourself. By default, the expanded window contains a network overview for the last day. You can select among other predefined periods or open an interactive calendar and select your own start or end dates. The graph at the top displays latency and packet loss over time. If latency is below 150 milliseconds, it is acceptable. Packet loss should be 0%. Higher values will affect the phone call quality and stability on the agent's side. If you know exactly when your agents had bad phone connections, compare the time with that on the graph. Remember that you can toggle between local or UTC time in the top right. Click Stats below the graph to expand the advanced packet count and packet loss count statistics. Let us proceed to the traceroute section with a timeline. Select a point in it, and you will see the detailed pathway of packets from source to destination in traceroute history. On the right, it displays latency. You can check where exactly the issue with latency occurs. To return to the summaries for all the IPs, click Back to All IPs at the top of the page. If you have a Cloud PBX from CommPeak, you can also monitor its network in PBX instances. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your telecom experience with CommPeak.